Hi, my name is Stuart Mills and today I want to show you this Audi A6 S line that we currently have in stock. So this is one of Blackburn Audi's demonstrators at the moment, and it's the A6 S line 204 2 TDI. So you have the LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights. This vehicle also has the matrix LED headlights, 19-inch wheels, so you have the electric seats with a memory function, half leather half suede sport seats, and 2 touchscreens. There we are, so that's the Audi A6. If you'd like to know anything else about this vehicle, please get in touch with myself, Stuart Mills at Blackburn Audi. Thank you very much.